Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in AutoCAD. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to explain you about the draw order command in AutoCAD and how to use draw order. So you can simply type in your command panel draw order here, and you can use this and you can select the objects, or you can right click on selection of an object and you can see this draw order command. So we will use this right click. So suppose this is a pool and there are two more objects here, one above the other, and if you want to bring to front this water layer above all this layer, you can use this. So I will show you one example. I am going to move this object. Suppose this is a pergola and this is a text, so I am going to select this and move this to pool here, and you can see this is below the hatch layer of this swimming pool. So this is below this blue color, and this is for a pool. So I want to appear this object. So how to do this? I am going to select the hatch layer of this swimming pool and I am going to right click and I am going to draw order, and I am going to send to back. I am going to select this send to back, and you can see now our text and this object is appearing clearly above this water layer of the pool. So this is the use of this draw order send to back. And suppose I want to bring this red color above this yellow, so I am going to select this and I am going to right click and I will go to draw order and I will select bring above object. So I am going to select this bring above objects. Now it is asking select reference object. So which objects will be used as a reference? So I want to bring above this yellow color here, so I am going to select this object, and you can see I am going to enter now after selecting this yellow color, and you can see this red is above this yellow hatch, and but this line, white line, is still above this this red hatch here. So I want to again select this red and I'm going to right click and I'm going to draw order, and you can bring above objects again. I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to select the reference as this yellow circle line here. I'm going to select this and I'm going to enter, and now you can see this is above all the layer, and this white line layer is sent to back. This white line here sent to back, and this yellow is also below. Now this is above all objects. So this is the use of draw order. So suppose I'm again going to select this and I'm going to right click and draw order, and now I'm going to select send under objects, and now it is asking select the reference object. So again I'm going to use this yellow hatch here as a reference and I'm going to enter. Now you can see it again, it is sent to back, and this yellow line and hatch is above this rectangular hatch. So this is the trick of using draw order command. So hope you like this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial I will come with some more interesting topics in AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.